Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks box break number 250 and the 7th and final box here on the Christmas week extravaganza. Happy Boxing Day, folks. Hope everybody had a great Christmas yesterday. Thanks to everybody who commented Merry Christmas in the comments of yesterday's break. Much appreciated. Before we get into today's break here, the 7th and final box on the Christmas week extravaganza, there's also 6-Pack Saturday up, so if you haven't checked that out before watching this one, go over after and check it out because the packs are absolutely loaded. I am definitely looking forward to recording that one here after I am done recording this break. Also, if you haven't checked out the previous breaks here on the Christmas week extravaganza, it started with a bang. Cale Makar, Young Guns, and an Elias Pettersson printing plate. Box 2 wasn't great, although it did have that really nice Morgan Riley patch. Box 3 had a very nice Miro Heiskanen. We followed that up with Box 4, the nice 3-color patch auto, the 99 Josh Morrissey Shadow Box. On Christmas Eve, we had a great box of Splendor, 2 of 7 patch auto Erik Karlsson. And then yesterday on Christmas, it wasn't a great box of 14-15 Cup, but we did hit a nice exquisite patch auto, great patch, Andre Burakovsky. Pretty happy with that pull. Not the greatest box, but yeah, it's I'm all right with it. Let's quickly slide these out of frame so we can get into today's box. And this is going to be a fun one because not only do you guys not know what I'm opening today, I also don't know what I'm opening because I'm opening a Christmas present. I do know it's cards, so, and judging by the size of the box, looks like Cup. Could also be that exquisite Golf, as that was the same size box. But yeah, I don't even know what I'm opening today, so yeah. This is going to be fun. Let's see what we got. We do have Cup, and it is 17-18 Cup. Very nice. We haven't opened this on the channel in quite a while. I believe the last time we opened it, we had that McDavid Fine Silver, so let's get the rest of the wrapping paper off and make an absolute mess. All right, there we go. 17-18, the Cup. I said yesterday that we might not be seeing much Cup, but we've got another box to here as a Christmas present. So we got box number 568. 568. Let's cut into it and see what the Christmas present box of Cup gives us. I also should mention that there's also a Sunday upload coming up tomorrow, so that will technically wrap up the consecutive days of opening. But for the second day in a row, we have a tin of Cup. It's rather interesting. We have 2 cards with black edges. This could be a very interesting tin. So let's dive into it with the first card up top. We have a base, number 137 of 249, Mikko Rantanen. Mikko Rantanen base card to start us off. We will go down bottom for another base card, number 160 of 249, Joe Thornton. Joe Thornton base card. So not as good of a card down bottom as we had yesterday, because that's where the Burakovsky was hiding, right on the bottom. And I'm going to go to the first of the 2 blacked edge cards. We've got a Brilliance, Zach Werenski. Zach Werenski Brilliance. If you have not seen the previews for 1920 Cup, the Brilliance design this coming up cup is very nice. I am much a fan of it. Not really a fan of this Brilliance design. I do like the Brilliance design in 1617 as well, but they have a nice design for the Brilliance this year. So. And we got 3 cards left. Let's go to the second black edge card. Championship etchings, 15 of 15. Wayne Gretzky. Merry late Christmas, I guess. It is technically Boxing Day. I am recording this after midnight, so this is a little bit of a late Christmas present for me. Holy, very nice. 15 of 15 championship etchings. The great one, Wayne Gretzky. Let's put that there and grab a one-touch. Not really a huge fan of these championship etchings, but you can never go wrong with a Wayne Gretzky Cup card out of 15, even not being autoed. Very happy with that pull. That's going to be a great wrap to the Christmas week extravaganza, even though we still have 2 cards to reveal here. Very nice pull. I would say this box definitely beats yesterday's 14-15 box. Let's go down to the bottom. We'll leave the RPA for last. We have a Signature Materials 86 of 99 Vincent Trocheck. Vincent Trocheck. Signature Materials. 3-color patch auto. And we'll wrap this break off with our RPA. Three-color Roland McCowan, number 102 of 249. Roland McCowan. Not a great RPA, but overall, a pretty decent box. I'm happy with that. For wrapping up the Christmas week extravaganza here, I gotta say we are 5.5 for 7. I will consider the second box, the 15-16 gamies, that was kind of a loss, although that Morgan Riley card was very nice. Yesterday's break wasn't great. It was kind of a loss too, but big fan of that Burakovsky card, being a Caps fan, so I'll give that a half point. And every other tin or box in the Christmas week extravaganza was very much a winner. But it's That's going to unfortunately wrap up the Christmas week extravaganza, folks. I have had a lot of fun with it. Again, recording right after this going up at the exact same time. We have an absolutely loaded 6-pack Saturday. This is going to be really fun to get into. There's not a bad pack in here. Looking forward to that here. I'll be recording that here in less than 5 minutes. So yeah, that's going to do it. Break number 250. Championship etchings. Wayne Gretzky, 15 of 15 for 17-18 Cup. Gotta love it, folks. Thanks to everybody who has watched, especially in the Christmas week extravaganza. I was watching the subscriber count yesterday, and it jumped quite a bit. So there are lots of new people here as well. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button, and thanks to everybody who has been subscribed for the long run. If you did enjoy this Christmas week extravaganza, today's box of 17-18 Cup, the 7th and final box in the Christmas week extravaganza. If you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We've got plenty more box breaks, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads to come. And again, swing over and check out this week's 6-pack Saturday if you haven't already, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and signing off here on Boxing Day. Merry late Christmas. Thanks for tuning in.